Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Bahashem, Yahweh Shai Bahashem, Mukokodash, and the Heavenly Father. True name is Yahweh and His unbegotten Son, Bahashem, in the name of Hamashiach, Yahweh Shai. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashkodash tongue. And I say Barak Thumb to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit down lesson of the earthquakes in diverse places as of March the 4th, 2026, on this Wednesday afternoon. And this is from Jam 957iRadio.com, published by Jason Hall, March the 4th, 2026, and reads from National News. 6.4 magnitude earthquake reported in the U.S. It says a 6.4 magnitude earthquake was reported in Alaska on Wednesday, March the 4th, according to the United States Geological Survey. The earthquake was recorded of a 6.4 kilometers and about 4 miles east of Altul Station and centered at a depth of 10 kilometers. It's 6.2 miles at 11:54 a.m. local time. The USGS says that it received 0 reports of people having felt the earthquake at the time of the publication on Wednesday. No aftershocks were reported near the Altu station. However, a 2.8 magnitude earthquake reported near the studio on Wednesday. It says the Alaska reported days after a 4.1 earthquake was reported in Nebraska on Sunday, March the 4th. March the 1st, I meant to say, according to the United States Geological Survey. The earthquake was recorded 5.0 kilometers, about 3.1 miles east of Colrells, and centered at a depth of 3.0 kilometers, 1.9 miles at 12:59 p.m. local time. The USGS says that it received 1,851 reports of people have felt earthquakes at the time of the publication on Monday. It says a notable preliminary information of the 6.4, 224 kilometers east and northeast of Atolio Station of Alaska. Right, because that was a 6.4 earthquake recorded earlier today in that region. It says earthquakes measured between 2.5 and 5.4 magnitudes can be felt by a large population. However, rarely results in much the damage, according to the Michigan Tech via Sacramento Bee. It says an estimated 500,000 detachable earthquakes are reported worldwide annually. However, around 100,000 are felt. Only 100 typically result in serious damage. Officials strongly advise that anyone caught in an earthquake should drop for cover and hold on, according to the Sacramento Bee. And this is from the earthquake.usgs.gov. As of 52 earthquakes was recorded from yesterday, the 3rd, all into the 4th of March 2026. And it says USGS.gov earthquakes, and you had a 3.4 earthquake, 36 kilometers west and southwest of Daly, Alaska. 2.7 earthquake recorded 71 kilometers east to southeast of Daly National Park, Alaska. 4.5 earthquake recorded 270 kilometers east to southeast of Altu Station, Alaska. 4.9 earthquake recorded 233 kilometers east to southeast of Altu Station of Alaska. Most likely those 2 aftershocks was after that 6.4 earthquake hit that same region. So those aftershocks was 2 of that 4.9 and 4.5, and that largest earthquake hit over in the area was at 6.4. And you had a 5.3 earthquake recorded 70 kilometers southwest of Charlegal of Ecuador. I mean El Salvador, if I pronounced that right. And then you had a 2.8 earthquake recorded 23 kilometers west and northwest of Sistania, Alaska. 4.4 earthquake recorded 223 kilometers east to southeast of Tube Station, Alaska. 4.9 earthquake recorded 153 kilometers west of Faklek of Indonesia. 4.5 earthquake recorded 28 kilometers southwest of Puerto Mandeo of Mexico. 6.4 earthquake recorded 224 kilometers east to southeast of Altoona Station, Alaska. And after that 6.5 earthquake hit over there, it was about recorded 4 aftershocks in that same region. 3.0 earthquake recorded 24 kilometers west to southwest of Ali Chenia of California. 4.3 earthquake recorded 16 kilometers southeast of Caliat, Pakistan. 3.8 earthquake recorded 21 kilometers north of Station, Texas. 2.5 earthquake recorded 73 kilometers east to northeast of Yegliskin of Alaska. 4.6 earthquake recorded 160 kilometers west to southwest of Falfak of in Indonesia. 4.4 earthquake recorded 106 kilometers south to southeast of Sand Point, Alaska. 3.4 earthquake recorded 108 kilometers north of Yakutat of Alaska. 5.4 earthquake recorded 222 kilometers. Most likely, this was like the fifth or sixth aftershock of that major 6.4 earthquake in that same region over there in Altoona Station of Alaska. 3.0 earthquake recorded southwest of Alcota of Alaska. 3.0 earthquake recorded 7 kilometers northeast of Calasco of California. 4.5 earthquake recorded 43 kilometers southwest of Overyel of Chile. 4.1 earthquake recorded 49 kilometers north of La Serena, Chile. 3.3 earthquake recorded 219 kilometers south to southeast of Old Harbor, Alaska. 4.3 earthquake recorded 233 kilometers east to southeast of Altoona Station, Alaska. 4.7 earthquake recorded 73 kilometers south of Severio-Korsky of Russia. 3.2 earthquake recorded 19 kilometers east to southeast of Tania, Alaska. 2.9 earthquake recorded 118 kilometers north of Yakutat of Alaska. 4.5 earthquake recorded 9 kilometers east to northeast of Shaospan of Northern Mariana Islands. 4.5 earthquake recorded south of the Fuji Islands. 4.7 earthquake recorded 241 kilometers east to northeast La Paz, Timor-Leste region. 3.4 earthquake recorded 123 kilometers west to southwest over there in Adok, Alaska. 2.6 earthquake recorded 112 kilometers south to southeast of Sand Point, Alaska. 2.7 earthquake recorded 88 kilometers southwest of Nikolaski, Alaska. 2.6 earthquake recorded 22 kilometers north of northeast Yerokestan, Nevada, if I pronounced that right. 4.9 earthquake recorded 149 kilometers west to southwest of Falfak, Indonesia. 4.5 earthquake recorded 12 kilometers east to southeast of Lestheniou, Eugenie, Italy. So those were the latest earthquakes as of March the 4th, 2026 on this Wednesday. And this is from the Blue Letter Bible, KJV 1611. This is the Gospel of Matthew 24 verse 7. For nation shall rise against nation and kingdom against kingdom. And there shall be famines and pestilence and earthquakes in diverse places. Right, so we're seeing Yahushua mentioned in the red letter. We're seeing, earthquakes in diverse places. So with that, hopefully this sit down lesson was edifying of the earthquakes in diverse places as of March the 4th, 2026 on this Wednesday afternoon. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahushua Ba'Shem Makokadash, and the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son, Bahashem, in the name of Hamashiach, Yahushua. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lost Kodash tongue. And I say Barak Bum to the elders and apostles, Wa'ak and Wa'akwaf to the next time. I say Shalom.